Business owners, quick question. If you could not spend any money on ads, could you still get new customers this week? That makes you nervous? Stay with me. In this video, you will learn 7 free moves you can use today. I will show you the words to say, where to post, and when to follow up. Ready? Take a breath. We'll go somewhat slow and simple. Here's what you will get. You will learn 7 steps. Each step has one rule, one service example, one product example. Think painter for service, think bakery for product. We will keep it short, clear, and repeat the key ideas so it sticks. Your job is to pick one step and do it today. I will not tell my life story right now. First minute is about you getting a plan. Number 1, value first cold DMs. Translation, don't be that guy who slides into inboxes saying, hey, buy my stuff. Nobody likes that guy. Instead, lead with value. So an example for a service business, you're a landscaper. Instead of spamming people with needs your yard mowed, you send them a quick tip video showing how to edge their driveway so it looks like a pro. Suddenly, you're not spam, you're helpful. So an example for a product business, you sell candles. Instead of, hey, buy my candles, you DM a local boutique owner with a 30-second video on how your candle display can increase foot traffic. Help first, sell second. That's how doors open. Okay, strategy 2, community infiltration. Don't panic. This isn't Ocean's 11. It just means get in places your customers already hang out. So, service example, join a Facebook group for local homeowners. Answer questions like, does anyone know how to fix a leaky gutter? Drop real advice. After a couple weeks of being helpful, people start tagging you. Call Chris, he knows stuff. Or if you make gourmet popcorn, jump into a local foodie group and share tips like best seasonings to try for game day. No pitch, just value, people. Then one day, just drop a post. By the way, I sell popcorn too. Boom. DMs start flying in because they already trust you. What doesn't work is just jumping in like a car salesman on day one. And everybody knows what guy I'm talking about. And pro tip, search your product or service in these groups. And it doesn't matter if the post was 3 days ago or 3 months ago. Answer the question and be helpful on that post. It'll bring that post right back to the top anyway. Number 3, content repurposing. Fancy term, simple meaning. Create once, use everywhere, right? So, service example, you're a plumber. Make a TikTok showing how to unclog a sink. Take that same video, post it on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, and send it in your email newsletter. One sink video, 5 platforms. Product example, you own a bakery. Post a reel about your new cupcake flavor. Repurpose it to Facebook post. Repurpose it into a Facebook post with a poll. Which new flavor should we try next? Then make it a TikTok. Same cupcake, more eyeballs. The trick is not creating new stuff every time. It's recycling. Like marketing compost, but it doesn't smell. You with me, people? Here we go. Number 4, reverse testimonial. We've talked about this in past episodes. Stop begging customers for referrals. Instead, celebrate them publicly, right? So a service example. You're a gym trainer. Post a shout out. Congrats to Sarah for hitting her 100th workout this month. Tag her. She also shares it. All her friends see you as now the coach behind it. A product example. You sell mugs. A customer posts a pic of their morning coffee in your mug. Share it on your page with shout out to John for starting Monday with our mug. He's making better life choices than me. That's a testimonial without asking for one. Customers love being the hero of your story. And again, it's all about the shares and the more reach with the tags. Number 5, partnerships. Don't try to team up with Nike. You're not on their radar, but you can partner with people at your level. So a service example, you're a DJ, partner with a local photographer, right? You send your wedding clients to them, they send theirs to you. Both of you win. Product example, you sell homemade soap, right? Partner with a local spa. They put a free sample of your soap in their gift baskets. You promote their spa to your customers. Free exposure, no money needed. Partnerships are like cheat codes. You both get more reach for zero spend. We do this all the time at Perch Merch. 6, problem-solving post. Instead of inspirational quotes that make you sound like a wannabe philosopher, actually solve problems. I know, it's weird. Listen, service example. You're an accountant, right? Post struggling with quarterly taxes. Here's the 3-step system I use to keep small businesses out of IRS jail. People love that. Free problem solving. Product example: you sell skincare. Post dry skin in winter. Here's the routine that works. And by the way, our moisturizer helps too. Real problems, real solutions. That's how you look like the expert instead of just another talking head and a salesman. Okay, number 7, follow-up system. Most people quit after one no, right? We already learned from past episodes that's a big mistake. So, your service example: you're a painter. Someone says, not right now. 2 weeks later, you send them a quick text. Hey, saw Sherwin-Williams is running a paint sale. Just thought I'd let you know in case you're doing it yourself. You're not pitching, you're being helpful. They remember that. The product example: you sell official merch like me at Perch Merch. A company says maybe later. A month later, you email them. Here's a list of top trending employee gifts for the season. Thought you'd find it useful. No pitch, just value. I do this with my CRM. Just try to give value. 3 months later, they're ready. Who do you think they call? You, because you kept showing up. That's a long play, I understand, but it's still something that consistently works for me and has, and I will never stop doing. All right, let's run it back. Value first DMs, community infiltration, content repurposing, reverse testimonials, partnerships, problem solving post, and follow-up systems. That's 7 ways to market your business with $0. None of them are glamorous. None are magic. They take patience, consistency, and a little grit. You'll get ghosted, ignored, maybe even laughed at. But if you have no sales, you have no shame. And if you keep showing up, it works. Trust me, I did it. I'm doing it because I'm not going to stop doing it. That's the key. Once it starts working, keep continuing because it's just going to keep leading to things down the road and down the road. So which one of these are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments and I'll give you feedback on your plan. And hey, hit that subscribe button. We drop these regularly.